Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we're taking a look at the Smartxchoices 61-key electronic keyboard piano kit. This is presented as a complete bundle designed specifically for beginners, suitable for kids right up to intermediate players. It really does come with everything you might need to get started on your musical journey. The core of the kit is the 61-key keyboard itself. It's described as having sensitive keys, and it's packed with features to keep things interesting and aid learning. You get a massive library of sounds and rhythms built in, 300 different timbres, 300 rhythms to play along with, 61 keyboard percussions, and 50 demonstration songs. That's a lot of variety right out of the box, which is great for exploring different styles and sounds. One of the standout features for learning is the intelligent teaching system, which works in conjunction with the integrated LED display. This user-friendly design is intended to help players improve their skills effectively. Powering the keyboard is flexible too. It can run off the included power adapter, or you can use batteries, making it portable for playing outdoors, at parties, or just moving it around the house easily. The design of the keyboard keys themselves is highlighted. They're the standard black and white layout, neatly arranged, and described as smooth and textured. Importantly, they have a rebound resistance design. This is mentioned as being helpful for users to practice and develop correct finger strength, which is crucial for building a solid foundation for future piano playing. Beyond the keyboard, the kit includes essential accessories. There's a sturdy keyboard stand and a padded stool, both of which are height adjustable. This is key for ensuring comfortable and ergonomic playing posture for different users. The stand has rubber feet and hands on the surface to keep the keyboard securely in place. The stool is padded for comfort during longer practice sessions and is also foldable, which is convenient for storage when not in use. The bundle is rounded out with headphones for quiet practice, a microphone, and a music stand to hold your sheet music or tablet. Overall, the Smartxchoices 61-key kit appears to be a comprehensive package aimed squarely at the beginner market, providing the instrument and all the necessary accessories in one go.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.